Dearly beloved, we gather here today to celebrate with Brady and Alyssa as they come together and to unite in holy matrimony. With feelings of excitement and joy, we prepare to bear witness to this sacred ceremony. Before God, we recognize the special bond shared by those two wonderful individuals. Their adoration for one another is real and is truly worthy of appreciation. We are particularly blessed to have family and friends in attendance today, and the groom and the bride would like to extend their thanks to all of you, for your presence makes this ceremony even more meaningful. We pray that Brady and Alyssa will enjoy a firm foundation for their relationship, one built on trust, respect, and shared principles.
Alyssa, I will love you, respect you, and cherish you for as long as we both live. Today I take you to be my wife, my companion, my better half. Through thick and thin, I vow to make our marriage filled one of love, trust, honesty, compassion, and support. To love you for your true self all the time, even on our darkest days. And I vow to care to your days neatly, your needs daily, to comfort you in distress, and to protect you throughout our journey, to grow with you and learn with you, to live out our days hand in hand.
Today, surrounded by people who love us, I choose you, Brady, to be my partner in crime. I'm extremely proud to be your best friend, wife, support system, and to combine every aspect of our lives as one. I vow to laugh and cry with you, to support you, to push you, inspire you, and love you with my entire being. For better or for worse, in sickness and in health, for richer or poorer, as long as we shall live.
I will 100% be crying. So I'm going to request that Alyssa hold my hand. For those of you who don't know, Alyssa holding my hand is actually really significant. Alyssa's strong. We all know she's mentally strong, but she has really strong muscles too. And I have a good amount of tattoos and piercings, through most of which she's held my hand. She has been my rock and solid support for more times than she knows, until today, because I just told everyone. So yes, we're holding hands because it's our thing, but Alyssa, I'm holding your hand because I want you to know how proud of you I am and how honored I am to be standing next to you today. And Brady, I will not always be here to hold my sister's hand. I hope and I know that when I am not here, you will hold her hand for me. I'm so proud to be standing next to Alyssa and Brady today. Cheers to the married couple.
Alright, I know we just packed this dance floor, but I'm gonna have to ask everybody on.
This guy right here, my best friend. I've known him for over 14 years, okay? We've been through everything together. There is not one thing in this world we have not done together, and I am beyond excited to be at Brady's wedding, to be his best man. Alyssa, she is such a smart, beautiful young woman, and I am beyond happy that Brady is marrying her today. Brady and Alyssa, I love you guys to death. If there's anything you ever need, you can always get a hold of me. To Brady and Alyssa,